Sahaj Vidhi www.sahajvidhi.in Question 1. C. Discuss the remedies for infringement of trademark and passing off available to the trademark owner. Model answer. Trademark infringement and passing off are two distinct but related legal actions that protect the rights of a trademark owner. Trademark infringement occurs when an unauthorized party uses a mark identical or deceptively similar to a registered trademark, causing confusion among consumers. Passing off, on the other hand, is a common law tort that protects unregistered trademarks by preventing misrepresentation that goods or services are those of another, thereby safeguarding the goodwill associated with a brand. Both actions can significantly harm a trademark owner's business and reputation, necessitating a range of legal remedies aimed at stopping the wrongful activity, compensating the owner for losses, and deterring future violations. The remedies available to a trademark owner can broadly be categorized into civil remedies and, in some jurisdictions, criminal remedies, i.e. civil remedies. These are the most common and comprehensive remedies sought by trademark owners in a civil court, aimed to provide relief to the aggrieved party and restore their position. 1. Injunctions. This is often the primary remedy sought, as it directly stops the infringing activity. An injunction is a court order prohibiting the infringer from continuing to use the infringing mark or engage in passing off. Interim temporary injunction, granted at an early stage of the legal proceedings to prevent immediate and irreparable harm to the trademark owner while the case is ongoing. It maintains the status quo until a final decision is reached. Permanent perpetual injunction, granted after a full trial, permanently restraining the infringer from using the mark or engaging in passing off. This is a final and binding order. 2. Damages, monetary compensation awarded to the trademark owner for the financial losses suffered due to the infringement or passing off. These to the trademark owner in the position would have been in had the infringement not occurred. Compensatory damages cover quantifiable losses such as lost profits, loss of sales, damage to reputation, and costs incurred in mitigating the damage. Punitive exemplary damages awarded in cases of egregious, malicious, or deliberate infringement to punish the infringer and deter others from similar conduct. These are typically awarded in addition to compensatory damages. 3. Account of profits. As an alternative to claiming damages, the trademark owner can elect to claim an account of profits. This remedy requires the infringer to surrender all they profits made from the infringing activities to the trademark owner. The underlying principle is that the infringer should not be allowed to benefit from their unlawful conduct. For delivery up and destruction of infringing goods materials, the court can order the infringer to deliver up all infringing goods, labels, packaging, and any materials or implements, e.g., dies, blocks, molds, used for the purpose of infringement. These items are then typically destroyed or disposed of to prevent their further circulation in the market. 5. Anton Pillar orders. These are extraordinary ex parte, without notice to the defendant, court orders that allow the plaintiff, trademark owner, to enter the defendant's premises to search for and seize evidence relevant to the infringement. This remedy is granted when there is a strong likelihood that the defendant might destroy or conceal crucial evidence if given prior notice. 6. Maiva injunctions, freezing orders. These orders prevent the defendant from disposing of or dissipating their assets, ensuring that if the plaintiff wins the case, there will be sufficient assets available to satisfy any judgment for damages or costs. This is crucial in cases where there is a risk of the defendant moving assets out of the jurisdiction or otherwise making them unavailable. 2. Criminal remedies, applicable in certain jurisdictions, e.g., India. In some legal systems, particularly for severe cases of trademark infringement, such as counterfeiting, the act is also considered a criminal offence, leading to more stringent penalties. 1. Imprisonment. The infringer can be sentenced to a term of imprisonment, which can vary depending on the severity of the offence and whether it is a first-time or repeat violation. 2. Fines, monetary penalties imposed by the court, often in addition to or as an alternative to imprisonment. 3. Seizure and forfeiture of goods. Law enforcement agencies have the power to seize infringing goods and materials. These seized items may then be forfeited to the state or ordered to be destroyed. Distinction and overlap. While both trademark infringement and passing off protect brand identity, infringement specifically deals with the violation of statutory rights conferred by a registered trademark. Passing off, conversely, protects the goodwill associated with unregistered trademarks through common law principles. Despite this distinction, the civil remedies available for both actions are largely similar. focusing on stopping the wrongful act and compensating the aggrieved party. Criminal remedies are typically associated with statutory infringement, especially in cases of deliberate counterfeiting. Conclusion: the comprehensive array of remedies available to a trademark owner, encompassing both civil and, where applicable, criminal actions, highlights the legal system's commitment to protecting intellectual property rights. These remedies serve not only to redress the harm suffered by the owner but also to maintain fair competition in the marketplace, uphold consumer trust in brands, and deter potential infringers. The specific choice of remedy often depends on the facts of the case, the nature and extent of the infringement, and the desired outcome for the trademark owner. Please visit our website www.sahajvidhi.in for more content.